the wind. Something is blowing on my face. It's the wind. But what is wind? What is wind? Wind is moving air, baby. We can't see the air, but we can feel it when it blows on us, right? Where does wind come from? When the sun shines on the land and the sea, the land heats up quickly. The air there also gets hot and rises. Cool air from elsewhere flies in to replace it, creating wind. Wind formation process. Mini experiment make wind. Dr. Meow Meow uses a paper fan to create wind. Fan gently baby's hair flies. Fan hard, what will your hair look like? You can also create wind by moving air. Let's try. Meow. What we learned today. Wind is air that moves. Hot air rises. Cool air moves in. That's how wind is made. Wind is amazing. Meow. See you next time. Let the wind blow us into our next adventure. Meow.